My people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. For today, I did for location. The location one day, I come monitor water connector. We want for the talk show. Give Oga water connector man, make it do for years that come monitor for today. The front of me at the Oga water connector man. Oga, good morning.
Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my people.
Me want to talk to you. My name is Asaboye. What is your name?
My name now Obi now. I represent Anna Choose Company Limited.
That is AKA the water connector man.
Yes, sir.
One day, and the work we want for view, I give you that come monitor. You take me around the work. When I don't finish, I'll sit there on it. When you take me around the work, Oga water connector man, what you go like our view, I will patronize you through this our channel. Particularly, when we give you this job.
I will say a big thank you to her because my madam now she get the house. So I so much thank her for patronizing me. And the people who don't patronize me, they come. And the one way wants to patronize me more. And I say God will bless you now. Wherefore you see the money they bring come and they do now work. God will they add more and more to our accounts. That's my prayer for now. Amen.
Okay. Before you give me our client, you have to call our number. Our number on top of this video. Okay, we go start.
Okay. This work we finished yesterday.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, yesterday we finished.
Yes, sir. And this house we use 14 dropping. Now wait for the house. 14 dropping. Now wait for this house. So we don't finish yesterday. So may I just show you the house?
Good.
So on the first dropping.
Okay, first dropping.
The house. And this one are black material.
Okay.
I dey talk now my video. Say na screw nail we dey use. Everything we dey do for this shop we dey screw am.
Yes.
So na the first dropping for the house. You know, so now upstairs. So now double like this. Reach up.
Okay.
Straight like this. Like this.
Okay, where they go?
Okay, sir.
Now they see the massive work we do.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
A very big house now, 6 flats.
Okay, 6 flats.
I just start seeing it to use dropping. So second dropping.
Okay, the second dropping.
You know, say call the window we did there. One and come up for there.
Good.
They go down. Same streets.
Okay.
So, maybe that's.
Yeah, our view see.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What are you the passer they come?
Yes, the passer they come.
And then once they take level, go your blend.
We all blend where you stand so we about do the flooring now. Or you the no sir, I talk about the former video say
yes.
You go they enter the water, no go they make noise say
whether already for nobody will know for inside house.
And see the third drop here.
Okay.
And the third drop it. Like this. With the water. More sir. Okay.
Good.
Yes sir.
Okay. More they move.
Okay sir. Now the fourth drop.
Gently. Okay, that the fourth dropping.
No see another version because of say no get way to rest so come
yes.
Back go the wall.
Exactly. Before clip.
Before clip way. So like you see. Very strong.
I don't say I know say you already do solid.
See school need there. Okay.
Okay, you say such the school just now?
See school need. School need.
Okay.
School need.
Good.
School need.
Good.
School need. Everywhere school, they school everything.
Okay.
So,
where do you go?
yes, sir.
Okay. And the other one is
so the fifth dropping. This like exactly the same thing why they talk. See? So see we cut them neat. Very neat. That's what you do for all of them.
I don't see.
Very, very neat. Do for all of them for the
okay, move the
okay, so
they move. Because the rain don't
they threaten the
they threaten you know. Okay.
So I be this so at the back we use 2 for the back.
Okay, 2 for the back.
And 5 we use for the side.
Okay.
So now 2 for the back. For the house white.
I don't see how they move.
Sir.
Okay, sir. The other dropping for back. As it also 2 for the back.
2 for the back.
And the other one see with this.
And the other one see with this. For the back.
Good. So, and this one on the side. So that one see from the start.
So say in their work, we not they jump any screw.
Go understand.
Everything all screwed. They say for the video, everything. Screw.
You they talk
we know. So
you know say anytime I come they record you, we almost they show our viewers the school.
Just
And they say good as they show the school, me they see they no say.
yes, say
The school say, no, they change
they
hands.
change hands. Yes, sir.
Good.
So for chairman.
Yeah, oh, no say. So the water they drop. Okay, the
yes,
school,
sir.
everything's there.
See the jump.
Good.
Drop.
Money go. You say here na site we dey suffer the person.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. That's now 5 dropping we still use for here. 5 dropping for this site.
That's how the water is
Then the
come on.
come out.
Let's go.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Gently.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, now that's one. Now this one you call after abi.
You know the outer reach.
With the up there.
So anyway they see the shoot come out.
That be outer.
Outer.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
My people, Oga water connector ma don take me round. If I do work for this, they don't finish the work. So Oga water connector man, like how much cost you now to fix this water connector for your house?
Our money we take to this house with the materials, with the labor, with the transportation, everything, with the ladder we rent. Now 530,000, sir.
Okay, 530,000.
Because the house big and if you shake and this time now 14 dropping now we use for this house.
14 drop, yes.
Like the usual 10, 11, now 14. Why we say I use that 14 because the house white
and big.
So now we use and to make water not to the get force for the gutter.
Yes.
Like, if you see where pipe they go enter, where pipe they go enter. Because you give them the use kind of because they use
space
like 10, 9. The space go too much. Like it will make sometimes you go see some gutter. Go actually you poke come down.
Okay.
Water go they gather there because the more the fall, the more the pressure they give the gutter will come sack. The water will come they stay for there. Now you think you see water go they run from the gutter or with a leak. Now they cause those things.
Okay.
So that be the thing.
So in case of other for viewer come across this work through our channel, they get exactly this kind of building.
Yes.
If it's one the same price we to do this one.
Yes. At something like when we do talk show.
Okay.
Because our chairman so at something at that platform.
Yes.
I will do one for them like that.
Okay. You quick call your number when our viewer have to reach you.
Okay, my number now 070 69 78 6509.
Another one day?
Yes, sir.
Quick call now.
080 33 88 46 11.
My people, I greet some time until they watch this video.
Yes, sir.